Want to turn your yard into a beautiful, functional oasis? Welcome to Rain Forest Landscaping LLC, your trusted landscaping professionals serving Dallas, Texas. For over 10 years, we specialize in enhancing the beauty, functionality, and value of your outdoor space through services including tree services, landscaping services, hardscaping services. At Rain Forest Landscaping LLC, we're known for our attention to detail, use of high-quality materials, and commitment to customer satisfaction. Every project is custom designed and carefully executed to exceed expectations, no matter the size. Ready to elevate your curb appeal? Call us at 214-927-7436 or 214-980-5854 or visit rainforestlandscapingllc.net to learn more and schedule your consultation. Rain Forest Landscaping LLC, designing landscapes, building beauty.